Gonna clean it up?
Cleaning it up. Yes, good. Okay, good. You do great.
All right, clean it up. Oh, it's really scrubbing.
That's really good.
Okay, just get every little spot there.
That's good.
Good cleaning, buddy. Oh yeah, good. Good job, Drex.
Good job.
Thank you.
I threw up on this wall. So good boy. Good boy. We got that.
No, you're doing a great job.
You're doing a really great job. Good boy. That's so good. So good. Yes, good boy. Okay, good.
Are you mommy's boy or what?
Now, let's figure out how the rest of this thing goes.
Let's scrub
This
it
is not
down.
it, huh?
This is not it. This has to go down.
We're just still cleaning this side here, Pop.
Oh, okay. Good job. Good job.
Let me ask you, how do you make them stay in bed when...
All right. Okay, mommy's gonna help.
Let's see. Where does that actually attach
Drex is still gonna clean just while you get this in. Okay. Good. Yeah, let's just get. Got it there. Yeah. Okay.
That goes there. Well, we want this to go